an emote in chat and it'll show up. Do you want some? Yeah, look, there you go.
What am I doing in this weird box?
We're doing flipping programming today. Oh, look, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Oh, I liked it when it was dark, though. I'm going to have a look at Activity Monitor. Just see what we're dealing with. Hey, Shaz, look at those. Here is Barry. Right, let's get Dungered up. And what does it say? It says bring in the animations. Do we have anything else on this list? No, we're still bringing in the animations. Now, the problem I was having last time, turns out, if I select me Barry, if I, oh, not the armature, Shoebox, if I go into my random dance script. So since last I was working on this, I have figured out how to get the old project running again, which was not quite as easy as it could have been. That is now something that we can reference. And the other thing that is new is I was just fiddling with this animation thing, and I realized that if I turned off if I just immediately set the limb rotation instead of interpolating it, seems to make it behave a little bit better. Yeah, look, so this literally just immediately rotates it now. Something I should probably do is add this to source control so that I can see my changes in my code week by week. So let's just quickly do that. There we go. Okay. So changes up to week 3, just so that we can... actually, changes up to week 3, but I just want to check what I think what I changed was this. So let's just do that. And then let's undo that, and then we should be able to see. So here we are. So now I can see my changes. Cool. Right, so what I did here, we can get back to Unity's the blank one. So now when I run this, we get depending on the dance, look, it's like a sort of stop motion kind of thing, right? Every time I click, it's going to go to a different one. So that's head nod 1. So I don't know if you remember last week I was mucking about and not even getting something like head nod, because all it's supposed to do is like just move the head a little bit, and it was moving everything around. So let me just see if moving this into here equals target rotation, and just get rid of all this and just right. So that's the right thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to that vector 3.lerp limb dot, so the current position, target rotation, speed, movement speed, right? Now I do not know why this wouldn't work. So it should just like gradually move it towards the angle we want. Maybe I've just got an incorrect expectation here. Right, there we go. That worked. Right. Oh wait, I'm not setting it to anything. Limb dot. Sorry. Don't debug anymore. Okay. Okay, now, yeah, we're back to this frickin' situation. Target rotation is that 160. Limb dot Euler angles is, why are these angles so crazy? Movement speed 0.1. So what? So, right, let's for fun, well, not for fun, but for reference, let's go at mix phoenix.server. And we need Postgres to be running. That's easily done. And then go to localhost, I think it's 4018. Also, let's stop this running because it's a disaster. And we go control mobile. There he is. What happened there? You tell me. Look, we can load. All right, so here's the front. Right, so this is the animation tool. Smoothness. So we can make it slow. Yeah, I think this is going to be Michael Chorus. So if we load this in, this is what it's supposed to look like. So you can see he's like moving his arm up, doing some of that. You can see what this looks like on Frog. I know we can't. Front. Let's go back to Barry. Front. Right, so that's what he's supposed to look like. Front. Hello, that's me. And this is how it's coming out when I render it in Unity. So, is it just... Is it just literally animating too quickly? So is it... Oh, right, because we added... We have got a bug here. This should be add time. Delta time for this not to go crazy. So this should now look a bit closer. Okay, look, that's Barry Chorus. So let's go load Barry Chorus. So he's supposed to be like leaning forwards with his arms up. Now I know we've got a problem with the arms being sort of like back to front. But if we put these side by side, like Unity just hogs every ounce of CPU available, and I would like to figure out how to prevent that. Right, he's supposed to have his arm up. So you see that? That's like 180 degrees in the wrong direction. Should we, at least it would be a nice victory to figure out, like to sort out these arms. And if we grab feet, body, right shoulder, and we look at the object information there, X, Y, Z, rotation X, minus 90. You shit, what is happening there? Oh, that's the object, that's not the... I need to go into edit mode of the armature. We're in the edit, we're in the thing. Let's go into wireframe. Yeah, there we go, now we can see what's selected. Oh look, that's got like a weird rollout. Let's make that 0. And let's make that 0. Why do I feel like that's gonna solve all my problems? This is Barry Chorus. I mean, yeah, it's fucked. Limit CPU Blender. Not Blender, Unity. We could just, let's just have a quick run of the profiler and see. Wait, sorry. What if we do that? It's going to give us some profiling info. Okay, and then we stop that. Let's see what's happening. See, there really shouldn't be anything particularly CPU intensive here. Wait, it's always wait for signal. I don't really know what I'm looking at here. I don't see why it's got to like drain my CPU just to frickin' animate a monkey. Maybe it'd be fun to step back. Something I wanted to start doing would be, so this is like something that supports a live music performance. But something that will make it work is if it's telling a story of some sort. And I don't know what that's going to be. Is it... The only thing I've pictured so far is... Well, one thing I want to do is connect this with chat so that I have a sort of like a little sort of audience, which, so yeah, like you see, we've got like these audience members that we can have. Something I'd quite like to do is if you do join, then you get a little avatar in this little audience. That when you put an emote in chat, the emote comes out of the guy, the one that your little character, and maybe it takes your Twitch avatar if you've got one and puts that on the face and stuff like that. So there's the interactivity thing. Let's save this as QB. Right. So this is now QB. So now we're going to get rid of all this. No more stuff. Just Barry. So we'll put you at 000. Okay. Maybe we should just save this as Barry. And then go back to QB and make like a generic one. Let's texture this as though we were creating it with some Twitch assets. So we need an emote, like some random emote. So let's have a look. Copy image, or save image as. So we'll save out, just to celebrate today, I'm going to save image as. We're going to call this Bible Thump. Right, so that's the thing. I saw someone had a background. Not you, the May. The Earth's moon's got like a fancy background. So I'm going to go to your profile. Viewer card, cover. Okay, there we go. So we can save this. So whatever you've set as a banner, and then whatever you've set as like an avatar. So if we go into Blender, materials, shit, I cannot see anything. Let's add a new material that has as the base color an image texture. And that is this guy. And then we're going to just assign it to the face. And we're going to go wrap. We're going to have a look at that. And we're just going to... Oh, that's interesting how it's sort of like... This is where it would be really useful to have the transparency working. I am going to just delete this this face. This I just do not like. I don't like these vertices. I'm going to select that face, duplicate that face, and move it on the y-axis. Oh shit, what just happened? I thought I duplicated it. Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll just select an edge. I'll go extrude. Pull that down. Select the face. Split. Separate, split, and then we've got a new face, and then we'll just go UV unwrap, smart project, and then we'll take we'll say assign, this is the face, we'll assign that, and then we'll grab that, rotate it by 90, and then just scale in the Y. Okay, there's... Let's just replace this body with the one I made for myself. Shoebox. And how does that look? Why is this all wrong? It should be exactly the same. There's Barry. And there's... There. You get to wear a tie if you're on my stream. We get a face. Oh, in fact, I don't know why I'm doing anything with this body UV, because we're not even going to use that. We're going to... Wait, let's grab this material. Let's go body. Let's just do another one, which is going to be new, which we're going to call it banner. Base color is going to be an image, which we're going to take from... Hello? Oh, sorry, open. We're going to take from like some random image, and we're going to go, well, let's just take the body, shall we, and make the body have this texture. Banner, assign. So what do we end up with here? L, cube projection. That's fine. So you can be a dude with a face, right? So that's our little QB. So let's experiment with a new scene, shall we? And can we just literally drag it in? We've got a QB, so we should just be able to drag that in. Wait, QB, just drag you in. There we go, look. Oops. Okay, so there's our little QB dude. If we drag that back there, right, so we've got QB as a prefab. So then each member of chat gets their own prefab with whatever the last emote they used. Oh my god, I'm so tired. It would be nice. Right, I did do some Twitch chat connection stuff. How do I open this project? Oh, do I literally have to click? Add isn't create a new project. It's right. So there's Unity live stream. Let's load this up. Remember what I did. This is what I was doing the other week. Yeah, this has got TwitchIRC in it. There we go. There's the Barrys. So that works. Should we just like drag shit between the projects? See what happens. So if I go, so I just grab the so I think scenes contains all this TwitchIRC thing, but really, which has chatter.cs, main thread, blah blah blah, but really that shouldn't really be under scenes. I think I made a mistake dragging that there. So if we go assets, third party, and copy TwitchIRC in. So this needs a Twitch chat, thread, TwitchIRC, chat observer. Oh no, we just literally we just search for main thread, right, and then we create an instance of that prefab under there. Right, is that what we did there? It's different. TwitchIRC, we grab a TwitchIRC, and that should be okay. So I'm just going to copy those in over here. I don't really want to show you. details, OAuth, Nick, channel, and hide those details again. Come back here, hide those details again, come back here. So that's how we connect. And then we need a chat observer. So we're going to go add component, new script, Twitch chat observer, create an ad. And then let's load that. And let's just see what this Twitch chat observer looks like. So this is our Twitch chat observer. Let's copy it all in. Don't need that. What else is broken here? New message. Don't want those. Emotes. Start coroutine display emote. So this instantiates our emote prefab. So we might as well just make it behave the same by just copying the emote prefab. Reveal in Finder. Emote.prefab. Can I just copy that into the other project? Right, so there's our emote. Twitch chat. Can I drag that onto there? Emote. I mean, is this going to do it? Okay, let's send a Barry. Look, there we go. I just saw a Barry. I just saw an emote. Okay, so we're doing something. Okay. This is the most fucking awkward thing in the world. What I want to do is create terrain. Right, let's line up the camera. Oh, do we need to? Yeah, okay. So that gives us our little game dude. How do we reach into this? There we go, face material. When a chat is created, we're going to instance a new QB prefab, right? We're going to go capital L in list, and we're also going to add, so game object, let's just go var instance, QB equals instantiate QB prefab, new, well, that's like freaking right there. Just everything to the end. And we're going to go QB dot. Let's just go QB instances dot. What is it? Add QB and fix the name of that. Instances. And let's just make sure that this has a reference to what it wants. So where is this? This is Twitch chat. So this wants a QB prefab. Drag that in. Now, in theory, we should just be able to go like, where did that land? Oh, is it falling? Oh no, look, there we go. Yeah, okay. Look, so we're getting some different dudes. Maybe we can like narrow the range. I don't think it reconnects properly. Yeah, reference script is missing. So we have to start it again. Maybe they're a bit closer together. If that's 0.3, let's make it half. Let's make it 0.1. Right, so that's gonna populate. Each emote is going to get a thing. And then what we want to do is that instance, we want to find the face texture. So QB has what did we do here? This just went set, right, set renderer.material, right. Is this the, right, it's the renderer. And then we've got to get the material. Texture. We instantiate it from the prefab. We go var face. Well, we go renderer equals qb.get component renderer, and then we go renderer dot get material get materials by name. No, get. It's not a material. Yeah, it is a material. Game object dot find name renderer. How can't find material by name? That is boring. So if material that name is face, material dot main texture dot main texture equals texture. Is it supposed to be face? QB clone. Oh, this has its. Does this not have a renderer? I guess we've got to search for the renderer first. We've got to search for the child, which we can do by going lim get component transform dot find qb, and then that thing's renderer should see if we can create a breakpoint. See if we can debug. Please debug. Right, so we go. Right, here we go. So renderer is why is that? We don't want that breakpoint. We want the next one. Right. QB. So this is a thing. And renderer. Do we have renderer? If we continue, renderer is there. Materials. It's got 3 materials. Body, banner, face. We come in here. Material.name. Face brackets instance. This is a classy tool. That does not seem right, but wait, shit, sorry, I don't want to debug anymore. Look at that! Normal smiley face. Smiley chat. Right, what are some make these emotes more expansive. We can have a Joff emote. We can have one of these. So the next thing will be to instance these by user and then just change the face on the user. Right, I think we're done for today. Was it the Earth's moon, or was it like, why don't you give me an emote? Put an emote in chat and it'll show up. Do it. Put some emotes. We can go nuts. Let's get some Isaacs. Look. Isaacs. Do you want some... Yeah, look, there you go. We're getting some cliffing playing things, but... Yeah, look. We've got some Twitch chat integration, which was something that I was hoping to do. And then we just need them to dance using the other code. We start to build something.